What I found funny, he was shopping for a Miata, and on this page, if you scroll down,
Why are you including this? Why would I send this to you to include this? Yes, I was.
explain yourself.
I'm looking on this auto loan calculator website, and the ad at the bottom reloads and goes, "Am I gay?" Test.
These jokes write themselves.
You'll see that it's in a high school parking lot. That's because a teenage girl came out of the parking lot and T-boned my car. I think you have like a diagram here that's going to help. But, oh, look. So I'm going to be coming as the red car. The gray car is the Acura that hit me. So there's the gray car. She's waiting to come out and into traffic moving to the left. She's going to be turning left. And then these vehicles pull up. And as I'm coming to drive past, she goes, "Well, I guess I'll just go now," and runs right into the side of me and kicks me over 2 lanes. And that's how my car got totaled. My daughter was in the passenger seat. Thankfully, nobody was hurt. It could have been a lot worse. And as bad as the outside looks, the inside has not changed geometry whatsoever. For an impact that could toss you 2 lanes, and then the inside doesn't look like it's changed shape at all, is amazing. Thank God that nobody was coming the other way, because it threw us into oncoming traffic. And that my daughter, who was sitting in the passenger seat, she's old enough and big enough to sit in the passenger seat, but even still, the airbag went off right in her ear. She has a bag that she wears over her shoulder, and I don't know what happened, but it ripped clean off of her. The strap came clean off of the bag.
This happened a week ago?
2 Mondays ago. I'm not going to be able to get it back.
It's totaled.
It is totaled. That's their car. I feel really bad for them, though, because the dad of the girl who hit me, I was talking with him after the accident, and I guess he bought this Acura off the lot in 2006. He's put almost 200,000 miles on it, and regular oil changes, upkept, the whole thing. He brought this girl who hit me, he brought her home from the hospital in the backseat of this car. This has been a part of their family for 20 years. And now it's totaled.
Yeah.
And I feel terrible for them. That sucks, you know? I'm sentimental about my car because of what it can do, not because of it's that specific Miata. I like my car because of the performance envelope, the fun that I can have in it.
But you've only had it for a year and a half.
A year and a half, yeah.
And it's not impossible to get another one.
Right. So I'm not terribly broken up over that specific car. I would love to get another one, but I'm not like emotionally traumatized as everybody assumed I would be, I guess. Everyone's like, "Are you okay? Your car is gone." I'm like, "Are you more worried about my car?" Or like,
I think after everyone knew you were okay.
yeah, I know. But like, everyone's like, "I can't believe your car." I'm like, I love my car because of what it can do. You love your car.
Me specifically?
Yeah. Yes. Your CUDA is your CUDA. If it just was totaled tomorrow, I don't even know what you would do.
I'd be very sad.
Yeah, I don't know what you would do.
I would just...
You would go into... You would be sitting Shiva.
I don't know that I would even replace it.
No?
I'd eventually replace it, but I'd probably replace it with one that didn't need as much work.
You would get remarried eventually?
Yeah, the dust would have to settle
Yeah.
for a long time.
Yeah.
Because I've spent so much time working on that car.
Oh, yeah. I feel... I haven't spent nearly the time you've spent.
Yeah.
But I spent enough time that I'm like, oh, the steering wheel I stitched, oh, the armrest that I upholstered myself, like all the little bits and bobs that I put on.
That make it uniquely yours.
Right. And I only got about $1,000 worth of items off of it, and there's still another $1,100 I couldn't take off of it in the junkyard with it right now.
Yeah.
Which sucks.
So he's on the lookout for another one.
I am.
So this is what roughly a new Miata costs?
But I think this is basically to replace it exactly with what I...
Similar number of miles, similarly optioned, is about what you'd be looking at.
Yeah, roughly.
What I found funny, Jordan shared with me, he was shopping for a Miata, and on this page, if you scroll down...
Why are you including this? Why would I send this to you to include this? Yes, I was...
Explain yourself.
I sent this to the family group chat. I was like, and then I'm looking on this auto loan calculator website, and the ad where I put all the Miata information at the top, and the ad at the bottom reloads and goes, "Am I gay?" test.
These jokes write themselves.
Oh my gosh, so funny though.